Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video, and today we are going to be doing a unboxing, first impressions and review of the Ringke iPhone 16 series of cases. So Ringke was very kind to send us a review kit, a whole box as you guys can see, and I hear a lot of cases in there, so I cannot wait to see what we will find inside the box, their different designs, functionality, and so forth. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. So right down here, we could see that this is the review kit. It is from Ringke, and they claim that you will live a better day with these cases. And so right here at the front, we do have a special gift from us to you. And right over here, what we're gonna do is take our trusty scissors and open up the packaging. So I'm gonna take my scissors and do what we usually do on the channel. And there you go. Amazing, guys. I don't know if you could see that on the video, but we're gonna drop those scissors right there. And right over here, we do have a little card, as you guys can see. So shout out to Ringke for sending this to us. And as you guys can see, they are basically giving us a thank you. Hello, thank you for your interest and giving us an opportunity to send you our newest accessories. Enjoy all the goodies Ringke has sent your way, and we hope you like them as much as we do. Have a nice day. Ringke, have a nice day too. Thank you for sending this out to me. Now make sure to go follow them on Twitter, on X, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram to stay up to date with their content, with their cases and accessories and so forth. But we're gonna set that aside, and as you guys can see, very beautiful packaging right here. We have a little white cover, and whoops, that did not turn out really good. This box is like huge. They sent us a lot of cases. We got one, we got two, three, we got three more, we got two more, and one more. And another one. And so as I mentioned in the introduction, they sent us various number of cases for the whole iPhone 16 series. Stay tuned till the end of this video because I will be doing a giveaway of all those phone cases. But today we are going to be checking out the iPhone 16 Pro Max cases in specific, and they sent me 3 of those cases. We've got a clear one, we've got a black one, and we have a black one in camo. Now starting with the black one, this is what it looks like on the outside. We have their slogan as usual, live a better day. Now you guys might notice that they do come with eco packaging. So all of Ringke's cases do come with that beautiful eco packaging. Awesome to see them preserving the environment. And you have a little nice tier that you could do just like so. And this is the black case right over here. Now this is a MagSafe compatible case, which is very nice. Now as you guys can see on the black case right over here, the camera cutout is pretty precise. You won't be able to see the color around the camera rings as it is nicely fleshly covered. So if you're looking for some good protection on your camera lens, now this could be a very good case for you. Straight out of the box, it is a hard shell case, so great drop protection, and it feels really soft and sleek in the hands, and it will be very easy to, slip in and out of your pockets. Now moving on to the clear case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, once again you have that usual Ringke packaging, and you could tear it apart just like so. And here inside we have more of, some instruction manuals. There is a little plastic film covering the inside of the case, which is pretty nice. And so we're just gonna peel that off to be able to get the full feel for the case. And so here we are, the case is fully removed from that plastic wrapping, the protective film, and this is what it looks like. It's just one of your usual clear cases. Once again, it looks pretty sleek, pretty minimal. I do love how the camera control button does have a nice curved cutout, and unlike the black case, this one does have a full camera cutout. So if you would like to have the beauty of the color of your titanium iPhone, this could be a very good protective case. And so last but not least, we have the black camo case. Now this case could be one for somebody that really loves, you know, creativity, art, and texture to their mobile devices. And so once again, we have that usual packaging. We're going to tear it right there. And this is the case. Now they did put 2 styrofoam-ish things in there, and once again we do have that protective film that we are going to manage our way taking off. And so I was able to finally manage to get that protective film off. Now I would say that if Ringke can make, you know, a little peel tab for that protective film, it will be pretty useful, because I was kind of struggling taking it off of the clear and the black camo case. But nonetheless, the black camo case is similar to the black one with those camera cutouts. So once again, you won't be able to see the full beauty of your camera, you know, in the titanium colors, if that's something you do care about. Now, the nice thing of this case is the fact that it does have like that translucent backing. So it still does have, you know, that camo look to it, that black darkness, but you're still able to see through the case, which can really accentuate the colors. Now, this is for sure a grippier case compared to the black one, due to the fact that it has, you know, more grip on the sides. You can really see the dots on the sides of the case to ensure that you have that nice grip, but nonetheless it's still easy to slip in and out of your pocket thanks to, you know, that translucent back that's kind of smooth to the touch. And so let me know in the comment section down below which one was your favorite case out of this lineup. Here's a little b-roll of the other cases that they did send out. Now I just thought I would showcase the 16 Pro Maxes because those are the phones that people are really going for. Now if you liked any of those cases that you guys saw, please make sure to enter the giveaway so you could possibly win one of these cases. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on to this channel. Go to my Instagram at TechRificItis and follow me, and then come back to this video and comment done, and make sure to include your Instagram username so that I could reach out to you if you're one of the winners. And it's that simple. The giveaway ends on December 31st, 2024. And yeah guys, if you're looking for some minimalistic, nice cases that do also offer protection, maybe the Ringke cases are just for you. I'll be leaving a link down in my video description to their website if you'd like to check out their accessories or their cases. Now once again, big shout out to Ringke for sending us this gift package, and that has been the unboxing, first impressions, and review of some of the Ringke iPhone 16 Pro Max cases. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. Share with your friends and family so they can subscribe too, because we are trying to hit 15,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We have about 4.9 left, and I know we could hit it within the next 2.5 weeks. I know it. So let's go guys, and until then, it has been Alex from TechRific, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.